Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg cress sandwich. First, gather your ingredients: 4 large eggs, a few tablespoons of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a generous handful of fresh cress. You'll also need your favorite bread, like a soft white loaf or whole wheat, and some salt and pepper for seasoning. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the eggs. Place your 4 large eggs in a pot of cold water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat slightly and cook for 9 to 10 minutes for perfectly firm yolks. Immediately transfer them to an ice bath for at least 5 minutes to stop the cooking and make peeling easier. Gently peel them under cold running water. Now it's time to create the delicious filling. Once your eggs are peeled, place them in a bowl and mash them with a fork. You want a chunky texture, not a smooth paste. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. These ingredients add creaminess and a subtle tang. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. Finally, let's assemble your delightful egg cress sandwich. Take 2 slices of your chosen bread and spread the egg mixture generously on one slice, right to the edges. Then, add a good layer of fresh cress over the egg mixture. Its peppery bite is essential. Place the second slice of bread on top, press gently, and cut your sandwich into halves or quarters. Enjoy your fresh, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.